amazing cloudy December, and you see a beautiful park, and I am going to show you the soul of this park along with the beach. It's a beautiful park really. So while walking you see the big trees. It's like a violent ocean sometime in the November, December and January. So a lot of cyclists try to coming here. It's like a hello. Yeah. So this is good. And 2-3 ways you can go by this way. You can also go by shore walking track. It's a beautiful windy days. Fast wind is sometimes getting violent. It's a beautiful walking track. This is also inside. They go inside deep forest park. So you can use that. This is also a track. Hello. Good morning. How are you? This is also a lot of big trees. Walking with dogs. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So going inside. See how beautiful. See big dense trees. Wow.